Okay, so what we need here is a method to turn these fractions, all of these halves, consistently into these other numbers. And as with all methods in maths, it needs to work for every example or it's not correct. Now we can see that going from a half to the other fraction over here, the numbers on the top and on the bottom are both increasing. Now when we're increasing numbers, we can only do that either by multiplying or by adding, by adding or multiplying. Both of these things increase numbers. So let's have a look what happens if we want to try and add numbers to turn the half into the 3/6 here. What I have to do is I need to add 2 to the top, and I need to add 4 to the bottom, pardon me. So that looks like it works, and it works for this example, but does it work for the others? Let's have a look down here. Okay, well I've got to add 1 down here, and then I've got to add 2 here, so already it's not the same. Here I have to add 4, and I have to add 8. There's nothing consistent about this method. You can see that there's a relationship between these two numbers, but it's not consistently the same between the different examples. So that's not good. So we had a shot with plus. That didn't seem to work out so well, so let's have a look at times. We'll try timesing. Now this is a times tables question. 1 times something equals 3. Obviously the answer is 3. Let's try down the bottom. 2 times 3 equals 6. We can see here that we're timesing by 3 top and bottom. Let's have a look at the next one. Now 1 times 2 equals 2, and 2 times 2 equals 4. So far so good. Now over here we've got, what do we have to multiply 1 by to turn it into a 5? Well, it's 5, and then for the 2 down the bottom, times by 5. So what we're seeing here is that we're multiplying by the same thing top and bottom consistently, and that's working in every example. So the rule for this is times by the same amount top and bottom, and you will get equivalent fractions.